It is standing on its own legs for the first time in a while. This was not pleasant. Here's my bubblegum welding. They had crammed chunks of rusty metal in there to close that clamp because those are the wrong jacks for that bracket. So I had to cut a 1/2 inch out of the bracket, weld it all back up, but I went ahead and got those on. And it has different jacks on the front. I kind of like those jacks better because they jack faster, but they scare me a little bit with the mechanism. I've got to learn how those work. Anyway, it's standing on its own. All of this wood here is to make a platform to go underneath it. I have to raise it by at least 1 inch to clear the newer style beds. So I'm gonna build something with insulation and a lot of glue, and I'm making it out of ground contact pressure treat because that's, you know, what will sit in the bed against all the moisture and stuff. I'm gonna put that foam between it like you put on a house before you put the stud wall up to keep it from transferring moisture into the structure. I'd planned on, by now, it is 4:30 Alaska time. I had much thought that by now I would already have that done. But today has gone super slow, getting all of the black silicone caulking into the joints that are susceptible to a leak. I got the drippers on, you know, the rain gutters, and got all that crud cleaned off the sidewall that was up there. And so, yeah, it is standing on its own for the first time since it came to me.